Blade and Quill. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Christmas gnome. This tutorial is mostly targeted for beginners, but anyone is welcome to join and draw along. To make things easier, I have created this character in a simple standing position, facing straight forward. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, create a new canvas, choose the A3 format, rename your canvas Gnome, and here we're going to choose a new color for the background, maybe this one, yes, click OK and click Create. Double click on your layer to rename it, so name it Sketch. Then go to your brush and here get your color black and white by clicking on the icon. Get a brush, we're gonna use this one, the fill circle, and now we are going to change right here the size, so click on it and type 15 and click enter. Make sure it's 100% for the opacity, and we're gonna start sketching. I created a new layer on the top of my sketch and retraced the gnome to correct a few mistakes and clean up my lines. Here I have two versions for you to see and compare. As you can see, retracing is very important. So now let's color it, okay? Right click on your tracing layer, scroll down to Add, select Colorize Mask. Go get your brush, your Colorize Mask editing tool right here. Get a color and start painting. If you remember from a previous video, I showed you that every time you were adding a color, it showed on that side. Now make sure to get all the little areas. So let's work on the background. I have zoomed in the tool options window for you to see better. Here again are all the colors that I have used so far, and I am just painting all around my character to tell Krita, hey, these areas have to be transparent. Please don't put any paint or any color on it. Look at what's going to happen right here. I am going to click on transparent, and here the color is slashed, so it means it's transparent. Now go on the other side and click on your two arrows, and Krita is going to start coloring your character. Alright, and in order to see if it worked or not, you just have to click on the little pen right here, and that's it. Now that the color is done, zoom in on your character and using the spacebar on your keyboard, move the gnome around to see if Krita missed some areas. As you can see here, we have 2 missed areas on the boots. You cannot paint on a colorized layer. See, colorized layer, and I try to paint, nothing happens. So you need to convert it to a paint layer. Right click on the layer and scroll down to convert and select a painted layer. Click B on your brush and now you can add the missing color. When you colorize, all the colors are on one same layer. To separate the colors, go to Layer, scroll down to Split and select Split Layer. Don't worry about the window, just click OK. Now Krita is working. And here all the colors have been separated. You have a layer for the white, a layer for the pink, a layer for the yellow, for the brown, the cream, the red and the green. Now that the colors have been separated, you can change one without disturbing the others. For instance, here I am changing the hue of the outfit. It has no effect on the other colors. If the colors were on one layer, all colors would have changed at the same time. We are going to use the selection tools, get a magic wand and select the hat. Now because the hat has been selected, no paint will go outside the area. Just try different things and don't forget to use the eraser as needed. You'll do the same for every areas of your character. Also don't forget that you can change the colors of your outfits at any time. So be creative and experiment. I'll let you look at what I've done. Alright, so what did we do? We had a first draft, then I traced above it to clean up my lines and correct mistakes or add features, and then I colored. Don't overdo your character cartoons. If you look at other people's work, you will notice that their creations are very simple. Simple actually has more impact and looks better than complicated. By separating your colors from your sketch, you can still correct things at the very end. Here, for instance, I am not very happy with his mouth, so I am just going to erase it. He looks better, don't you think? So we are done for today. I hope that this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to leave me questions or comment. Alright, I'll see you next week. Bye!